Guys, I just heard a weird sound, alright? And stop trying to hide from me, Haven. Alright. I just heard a weird metal, like kind of bending sound. It's like, yeah, that was scary. Scary as heck. Hopefully I hear it during this video. Holy crap. But the sound ended right before I started this video. I don't know what that sound was though. Just keep hearing it. Oh God. All right. Hearing a noise now. I just heard a faint noise. Oh God. Still hearing that noise. Tiptoe by the window, through the window. Well, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to end the video here. Hope you have a good day. I hope I don't hear that sound again. And bye.